All right, thank you so much, Emily. Now, first snowfall of the season. I mean, there's quite a bit out there.
You bring up a good point. Actually, we set a record.
Oh, wow.
And I'm just talking about a record from yesterday. Then I have to add on what just fell last night and early this morning. I know. So actually for October, this is pretty rare. All right, there's that new daily snowfall record for October 28th. The old one set all the way back in 1895. Well, we just set a new one last night before midnight, 1.2 inches in Green Bay. Now, so far, these are the only reports I have in. One from the National Weather Service with about 3.5, and someone from NENA reporting around 4 inches of snow. Either way you cut it, I'm going to have to see how this 3.4 inches actually stacks up, because remember, it's over 2 days, and all of these bigger snow events here are showing as 1 day. But either way you cut it, that is actually one of the bigger snow events that we've ever seen in October. So when you wake up, it looks like a winter wonderland, but the worst now is over. 30 degrees, I see that visibility improving out there, which means the steadiest of the snow has been moving on out. You can see that on radar here too. Actually, Green Bay radar, it's down this morning, but we're using some of the other ones surrounding us. It is showing the trend, though, of the steadiest of the snow moving on out. Things are getting better snow-wise. Skycast actually brings back some sunshine as we head through our afternoon here. So things will get better, but it is going to be a chilly day. But because of the snow that's fallen and a couple slick spots on the roadways, still have a winter weather advisory in effect until 7 o'clock this morning for most of the area. But things have been improving. Even the snow that's on the ground, as far as the pavement, it's been melting just a little bit because the pavement's been warm. We are not going to make it to the average high of 51 for quite some time. We're bringing in some cooler air behind the system, upper 30s, lower 40s, and a lot of our temperatures actually around or just below freezing. But again, with the warmer pavement, that's been helping the salt and helping melt some of that slush. Wind chills this morning feel like 20s in most spots. There's not a lot of wind, but it is kind of on the cool side, so that's why it feels just a little brisk out there. Skycast again, things improving today, and then the next system I'm watching is going to be late Wednesday night. Going into Halloween, you see how close we are on the edge of this. So it's still too early to make the call, but could see some accumulation going into Halloween. But today does get better now. 41, though, it's going to be a cool one. Some breaks of sun. And tonight, keeping it quiet, mostly clear, and only 24. As far as your Wednesday, the daytime right now looking fine, 42. But late Wednesday night, going into parts of Halloween, it depends on where the system tracks in the temperature profile, but could see some snow. Maybe some rain mixing on in, which could have a little accumulation, which I know it feels like we've seen enough now.
Yeah.
But we'll have to see. It's going to be a close one.
Strange Halloween. All right.